like a distant neon sign. I've been driving through the hours with your shadow next to me. Every mile another memory of what we used to be. I don't know where we lost it, I don't know who to blame, but some feelings never leave us, even when they change. Tonight we remember all the words we never said. Tonight we remember every dream we almost had. No tears, no surrender, just a heart that still believes. Tonight we remember who we were and who we will always be. Radio plays our old song like it knows I'm not okay. I see your face in moments I can't push away. Time keeps moving forward, but something stays behind. Love doesn't fade so easy, it just learns to hide. I don't need forever, I don't need regret. Just one night with the truth I can't forget. Tonight we remember all the words we never said. Tonight we remember every dream we almost had. No tears, no surrender, just a heart that still believes. Tonight we remember who we were and who we'll always be. If love is just a story written in the dark, this is where it started, this is where it marks. Tonight we remember not the pain, not the end. Tonight we remember how it felt back then. No tears, no surrender, just a fire underneath. Tonight we remember and we drive into the night. Still free, still free, still free, still free. Midnight shadows on the wall. I hear your breath, I feel it all. No words tonight, no need to try. Your eyes are saying more than mine. We learn to hide behind a smile, pretend we're strong for just a while. But when the lights are fading low, still alive. Your hand is shaking just like mine. We're standing still outside of time. All the things we never said are beating loud inside our chest. We played it safe, we played it cool. We followed every single rule, but rules don't matter in the dark. When two hearts feel the same old spark, we don't need answers right away. Just stay with me. Don't turn away. Silent hearts don't lie. When the night is deep and slow, silent hearts don't lie. They know what words don't show. No running, no disguise, no need to justify. Silent hearts don't lie when love is still alive. If silence is the only sound, then this is where the truth is silent hearts don't lie. In the dark they speak so clear. Silent hearts don't lie. When you're standing right here, no past and no goodbye, just this moment, you and I. Silent hearts don't lie. Tonight, silent hearts don't lie. Neon lights are passing by, like promises we didn't try. The road is long, the sky is wide. I feel your name right by my side. Windows down, the engine low. There's still so much we don't know, but every mile feels like a sign that we are running out of time. I don't need a perfect plan. Just tell me you still understand. We're running through the night with our hearts on the line. No fear, no goodbye, just a moment frozen in time. We're running through the night till the first light appears. No past, no regrets, just the echo of years. City fades into the dark. Every shadow leaves a mark. then let it burn, then let it stop. We're running through the night with our hearts on the line. No fear, no goodbye, just a moment frozen in time. We're running through the night till the first light appears. No past, no regrets, just the echo of years. If the morning comes too soon, we'll still remember this tune. We're running through the night like we did before. Same fire, same desire, still wanting more. We're running through the night till the sky turns blue. If I'm lost in this world, I'm found in you. Running through the night. The night is heavy on my skin, like something ending, something thin. I try to walk this road alone, but every step leads you back home. I see your face in passing cars, in broken dreams and fading stars. Some loves don't learn to disappear, they just stay close, they stay right here. I don't need promises tonight, just give me something real to hold. Give me one more chance to feel what we almost lost. One more chance to feel, no matter the cost. I don't need forever now, just one moment that is real. Give me one more chance to feel. We built our walls, we played it smart. We hid the truth inside our hearts, but silence never kept us safe. It only taught us how to wait. I don't know what tomorrow brings, if hope is more than fragile things, but standing here with you tonight feels like the chance to feel. We've been walking through the fire, through the doubt, through the rain. Every scar, every moment left a mark, left a name. I don't miss the tears we cried. I don't miss the sleepless nights. What I miss is what we learned when we stayed instead of burned. Time can change the way we see, but it can't erase what's real. Forever isn't yesterday. It's the choice we make tonight, not the words we fail to say, but the will to stay and fight. Forever isn't yesterday. It's the love we dare to try, still alive in every way when we stop saying goodbye. We were young and full of fear, running circles, disappearing. Now the silence doesn't scare me when your heart beats close to mine. I don't need the past to shine. I don't need another sign. All I know is standing here feels like something true and clear. If tomorrow comes too fast, we'll be ready at last. Forever isn't yesterday. It's the choice we make tonight, not the words we fail to say, but the will to stay and fight. Forever isn't yesterday. It's the love we dare to try, still alive in every way when we stop saying goodbye. We don't live in what was gone. We live in what goes on. Forever isn't yesterday. It's the road we walk as one, every step along the way, till the rising of the sun. Forever isn't yesterday. It's the now, the here, the real, what we hold and never steal. Forever is the way we feel. Forever isn't yesterday. Forever isn't yesterday. The night is slowly letting go. The sky begins to change its tone. All the shadows lose their weight as as we're standing at the gate. We don't need to say too much. Every silence feels like touch. After all we've been through, this moment feels honest and true. No more running, no disguise, just the morning in your eyes. We fade into the light as the dark is moving on. We fade into the light where the night is almost gone. No fear and no regret, no reason left to hide. We fade into the light, side by side. Every road has brought us here, through the doubt, through every tear. Now the quiet feels like home. Not alone, not on our own. I don't miss the things we lost. I don't count the final cost. All I see is what remains, something stronger through the change. If this is where the night ends, then it ends in calm and true. We fade into the light as the dark is moving on. We fade into the light where the night is almost gone. No fear and no regret, no reason left to hide. We fade into the light, side by side. Every ending holds a start. Every silence heals the heart. We fade into the light with the past behind our eyes. We fade into the light as the sun begins to rise. No tears and no goodbye, just the day that's open wide. We fade into the light, side by side. We fade. Into